Hello and welcome to Why Not DIY. Today our recipe is an easy and delicious light dessert, the molasses cake. Join me in this video. I am Rafa from Why Not DIY. As a start, combine 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon ground cinnamon and quarter teaspoon salt. Then grab your stand mixer and combine 1 egg, 1 tablespoon tahini, 1 cup molasses and half cup hot water. Start beating the ingredients on medium speed. As you beat the ingredients, drizzle half cup of vegetable oil. Decrease the speed to low and start adding the dry ingredients in batches. Once all ingredients are combined, turn off your mixer. Grease your cake mold with butter or tahini, then transfer the batter to the mold. This cake is baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes.